It is pouring outside today. Like, it's almost flooding over. Oh, um, I'm waiting for the bus right now. uh, I'm gonna have to book it all the way through there, all the way down. Stop, focus over there, focus down there. I'm gonna have to go all the way down there, and it's a long way. It doesn't really show up well on the plane. Looks very flat, but it's actually it goes down pretty a lot. I've always liked doing, but there's certain times that it's not the best. So, yeah.